Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find cash buyers on PropStream. So to find cash buyer on PropStream, here's a quick guide on how you can simply find out. So the first thing to do is to access your account. So go to propstream.com, then sign in with your account credentials, then enter the desired cities or country or the zip code in your search bar. Then from there click on the filter button to access the filtering option. So navigate to the list, then tap choose cash buyout to view the transaction where properties were purchased with cash. Then after that you can apply additional filters, which is very optional, like property types, property characteristics, owner type, sales date, and numbers of properties. So once that is applied, then after applying the filters, click apply to view the match properties, then select desired entries and click the list. I'll click add to list to save them for future preference. Then after that, navigate to my properties to view saved list. Then from here you can export the list, skip trace for contact information, or initiate marketing campaign directly within PropStream. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.